Let's make this delicious Jamaican brown stew fish. It was delicious and absolutely divine. First things first, wash your fish with vinegar and lime water. Then you're going to use your Caribe knife to make an X in the fish. This allows the fish to not break when it's frying in the pot. After you've marked all your fish, we're going to make the fish blend using black pepper, adobo, paprika, red pepper flakes, and so much more. Everything will be in the description below. Mix your seasoning together and just put it on the inside of your fish, from the head straight into the belly and in those slits that you made, to make sure the fish is nice and flavorful. Put some oil in a pot, and to this pot you're going to add garlic, pimento, thyme, and hot Scotch bonnet pepper. Drop in your fish when the oil is hot and cook for about 5 minutes on each side, or until the fish is nice and golden brown on both sides. After your fish is finished frying on both sides, take it out the pot and drain out the excess oil. Then we're just going to start chopping up our sweet peppers, onions, scallions, thyme, and everything that we need. Just see how the Caribe knife just glides through these vegetables. After you've chopped up every ingredient, then you're just going to add it to the pot with a little bit of oil that's already in there. After you've drained off the excess oil, saute it, then add some warm water. That same seasoned blend that you use for the fish, you're going to use it for the sauce. Then we're going to add some mushroom sauce, ketchup, and a little sugar. Let that simmer and bubble until it's nice and thick. Cover to cook for at least 5 minutes, and look how beautiful and rich this sauce looks. Place your fish in there, and your fish is already cooked, so this, you only need to have it in there for 5 minutes, and that 5 minutes is you just scooping that delicious gravy on top of the fish and giving it that nice delicious brown stew flavor. You can definitely serve it with whatever side you like, festival or fried dumpling, but we definitely serve this up with some Jamaican gungo rice and peas, and it was delicious and pairs beautifully together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.